Welcome to another Zach Hotel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get a nice, beautiful view and have a nice, delicious cocktail here in New York City. Right here, the Hyatt Herald Square. They've got a beautiful view. They also have a liquor store as a neighbor. Let's go in. All right, nobody at the front desk. That's good. We got in the hotel. All right, you just have to walk in like you belong there. Act like you've been there before. Just head straight to the elevator. All right, now we're gonna go make some drinks. First thing we need is some ice. Every hotel has an ice machine. Oh yeah! Let's head upstairs to the roof. Now let's get started with the cocktails. All you need is your Tropicana pineapple. Pineapple orange is all the bodega had. It'll work. And this Malibu coconut liqueur. It's manly and rugged, just like me. Let's get started with this cocktail. First, you've got your cups of ice. All you need is a towel. Dump that ice into the towel. You're gonna cover that here, like so, using this unopened Malibu rum. This is your ice crusher. Woo! You're gonna have an ice cocktail here. And what you're gonna do next, 2/3 pineapple juice and 1/3 Malibu rum. Maybe that's half. Sure, let's go half and half. Let's have some fun. I can't enjoy the view and drink a cocktail wearing a shirt like this. Hold on, here we go. All right, there we go. Now I'm ready to enjoy this cocktail. And just like that, you've got a delicious, it's not a Malibu Bay breeze, let's call it a Staten Island breeze, which, sure, that sounds disgusting, but that's what we're going with. Ooh, 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 that's good. But thank you for watching another Zach Hotel Hack. Please subscribe down below. Ooh, ooh, ooh.